Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is June the 8th on a Thursday, and let's take a look at the markets real quick. The last couple of days, we've been seeing some money come out, especially yesterday, technology, and we've been seeing the small caps, with a nice little move. Are seeing a little gap down today in the IWM, and the small caps of the markets are basically about flat. But let's take a look at some opportunity today. Seeing a couple of really good setups. One of my top lists that I call sweetness, showing this VVV looking very tasty here. You got converging 10 and 20 period moving average. You could look for a move. In swing trade, sometimes I'll be early and catch, maybe set a price alert around this area before it breaks out of that little range there. But one to keep an eye on. It's a very strong chart, gap up, moving sideways, moving averages below it. Also, Intel. I think you got to watch Intel. Intel showed some relative strength in the technology sector yesterday. Also appeared on that sweetness, and look for maybe a 5-day high, and then it could possibly go test this 3250 level. Cura, just another beautiful setup. The moving averages below it are all defending it every time it tries to sell off, although it did close below there, but defending that 20 period for sure. So KURA, keep an eye on that one. And ACAD, ACAD, uh, another just a beautiful setup. You see what I'm looking for, guys. Here, not chasing stocks. I'm looking for that setup. One that maybe keep an eye on is RNG above this 200-day moving average. Just set you alert in that one. No use trying to guess when it's going to go, but if it gets above that 35.50 level, have a great day. I'll talk to you tomorrow.